A jewel in India's cultural crown that I wholeheartedly recommend is the Taj Mahal, a testament to love and architectural brilliance. As a proud Indian, I would recommend anyone to visit this majestic and historic tourist attraction. Situated in the city of Agra, Uttar Pradesh, the Taj Mahal stands on the banks of the Yamuna River. The Taj Mahal is a symbol of eternal love, commissioned by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Visitors are greeted by the iconic ivory-white marble mausoleum, its intricate domes and minarets reflecting the finesse of Mughal architecture. The gardens surrounding the Taj add to the serene ambience. Inside, the mausoleum houses the exquisite cenotaphs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, adorned with intricate marble inlays and semi-precious stones. The play of sunlight on the marble throughout the day adds a dynamic element to the visual experience. The Taj Mahal is more than a monument, it is a poetic ode to love and craftsmanship. Recommending a visit to the Taj is akin to inviting someone into the heart of India's cultural legacy. The architectural finesse, the stories etched in marble, and the ambience of the surroundings create an experience that transcends mere sightseeing. In recommending the Taj Mahal, I advocate for a journey into the heart of India's history, where every step is a dance with the past, and every glance is a glimpse into the architectural marvels of a bygone era.